Hi, in front of me is Oppo A2X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Firstly, you need to open Clock app and click on Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it. If you see notification pop up, select Allow. Now before creating new alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Then you need to tap on, for example, ring duration and adjust it however you want to. Then go back and tap on this button with a plus at the bottom to create new alarm. Now set up an hour. Following that, you need to decide if you wish for your alarm to repeat. If you don't, just stick with ring once. But if you want to, you can always click on Custom and tap on days of the week that you wish to exclude. I will go with Fridays and Mondays. Now click on Alarm Name and label your alarm however you want to if you want to. Then tap on the blue check mark at the bottom right corner of your keyboard or click on the back button. Finally, hit ringtone section and select Allow. Now after selecting Allow in Statement of Use pop-up, you can pick a perfect ringtone for this incoming alarm over here. If you wish to, tap on Weather Adaptive at the top. Select Spotify, log into your account and use music from it. Tap on this device and click on any song that you wish to set up. Or simply select one of those system ringtones by hitting the best one, like for example, Holiday. Wherever you decided, when you finish, go back and tap on the switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. Last but definitely not least, click on Snooze. You can enable or disable it by tapping on this switcher and adjust it by deciding how many minutes it will take, and how many times it will repeat. Then go back and to save your new alarm, hit this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to edit it, click on it, make your changes and tap on the same check mark. You can turn it off or on by hitting on the blue or gray switcher next to it and selecting one of those options. Lastly, to delete it completely, just hold it and click on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!